You don't have to pay a fortune just to rank on top of Google. Check out these restaurants and these bakeries. They're ranking the top of Google without paying a cent. And if you look at this part of Google Maps, you can see how easy and accessible it is to potential customers. They can look at reviews, they can get to your website, they can contact and call you and ask for directions. So, how can you get a listing like this in Google? Visit your Google Play Store or your App Store and download Google My Business. This is where you can manage all your details of your Google listing, manage your reviews, and update your menus. Next, you're going to go to Take.app and you're going to log in. Right next to your store link, copy that URL and then return to Google My Business. After you verify your store, you're going to navigate down to Profile and then scroll down to Website URL, and all you have to do is paste in your Take.app store URL and click on Save. And there you are! You're set to go, and your website is ready to start taking orders.